Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm an attorney with Goldman Associates, and today we're continuing our video series regarding divorce. Please subscribe to our channel. Today we want to talk about what happens when people start a business during the marriage and now they're getting divorced. So what happens with the business? Well, the thing is like this. The business can survive the divorce and continue. The business is a legal entity, a fictional entity set up by the law. It could be a corporation, it could be an LLC, it could be some sort of other relationship, but it doesn't necessarily have to be the alter ego of the parties getting divorced. The business can survive that. The business can certainly continue to grow. You might need that business to survive because that's how you're getting your support post-divorce. So if it's possible to preserve the business, effort should probably be made to do so, assuming that husband and wife won't kill each other as they continue to run this business. Another thing you got to think about is if it won't work out that way, perhaps the business should be sold. And sold doesn't mean to a third party. A proper business evaluation can be done so we can determine what's the value. If the business is worth $100,000, that means husband and wife each have $50,000 stake. So if I'm keeping the business and you're out, I got to pay you that $50,000. Vice versa works the same way. So how are we going to do this? So different possibilities. We could evaluate the business and somebody could make a cash payment to buy the other person out. They might pay the person over time. They might take the business but give the other person the house if the equities are the same. So there are different ways to do that. We have had divorces where the parties, because of the size of the business and because of the profitability of the business, they maintained the business post-divorce. The only thing that they did was one person became sort of a silent partner and stayed away from the day-to-day affairs while the other person ran it. And we did that to maintain the tranquility. Otherwise, the police and the drama and all that will show up in the business. And that's no good for anybody. But these are options when you have a business developed during the marriage and then there's a divorce. You have questions about that? Of course, reach out to us and we'll be glad to help you out.